Hello there, I'm back with my Cadillac 2005 Cadillac SRS. In my previous video I was recording and I find out that my starter was not turned on when I put my ignition kit. So I did a little research and I find out the relay was bad. So in my first video I did a jumper and thanks God I got my car to start. So I went to a Bounce Auto Part and get this little guy right here. A new relay cost me $13.22, replacing the old one. This is a factory made. Absolutely different name brand. It's heavy. This one is kind of generic one, but for $13 we'll see what happens. Kind of lighted, so you can see this EOM part. It's very heavy. Okay, let's go try. I'm gonna open my hood and see what's going on, and see if this baby's gonna start on me now. So put my relay in the floor. Up. All right, here we are. Okay, proper seat. You see right there, this is the baby right here. I'm gonna replace this guy. Yeah, it's this way. You see the 3 pin in the back and only 2 pin in the front, so that's the real position right there. All right, we got it in place. Go back to the car inside and we're gonna start the engine. All right, let's see what happened. Absolutely nice. I'm happy. I'm really happy. Whew. The reason I'm excited because across the street we got a mechanic and I gave him my model number 2005 Cadillac SRS, and I told the problem asking how much it's gonna cost me to replace my starter, and he said I'm gonna buy the part, it will cost a little less, and he buy the part, it will cost a little more. And the label, this just to replace the starter is like $500, that he told me, plus whatever the part costs. So guys, you see this video and do yourself, man. Do yourself. YouTube is there for a reason. So I'm happy. See you guys later. Bye.